If you need to block someone on Robinhood, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your interactions are limited. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to the Profile section. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Access the settings menu. In the profile section, look for the settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Find the blocked users option. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for blocked users or similar. Tap on this option to manage your blocked contacts. Step 5. Block the user. In the blocked users section, you should see an option to add a user to your block list. Enter the username or select the user you wish to block, then confirm your choice. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Robinhood. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for help.